Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I am in our Canary Island date palm field. You'll notice all these trees are growing in high grass and they haven't been trimmed in several years. We do that intentionally. We let them grow and we don't clean them until they're sold. And then we're able to get a better pineapple on the trees. But you can see down there, there are massive Canary Island date palms with 8, 10, and even 12 foot of trunk height. We also have a row of triple trunk Chinese fan palms over there, multi-trunk Chinese fan palms. The bottom line is we have trees, all kinds of trees, lots of trees, great trees. So go to our website, thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get trees for you. Yes, even you.